just like that.
With our sharks, please you're not. With our sharks, make sure you're only touching the tail, not the face, and definitely not the stomach area, especially for the female sharks, please. Make sure you're only touching the tip of the tail for the sharks. The wings for our stingrays, please.
You can touch the sharks?
Yes, as long as she's away from the rock area like that, just make sure you're only touching the tail part, okay? With our stingrays, make sure you're not touching the middle part or the tail, just the sides for the stingrays, and the tip of the tail with the sharks. Please make sure you're not touching the shark's stomach area, just